What's up, YouTube? I know this is a little bit different of a video because it's on the phone. I'm at my buddy's house right now, my brother-in-law's house, and right now I just want to show you guys, because he's going to be part of the channel, so I want to show you guys what he's got. Oh man, of course, hold on, there we go, alright, so now that we're in here, I don't know if you can see it or not, but he's got a bike and he's got a go-kart, which, by the way, he's going to talk about it, and let you know what's going to be up with it. The motorcycle, however, is a VN2000. It's a 2000cc bike, so pretty wild, actually. He's going to cold start it probably. We're going to try it. It hasn't been started in a while. So, yeah. Just got, pretty much everything just on here. Just a normal, pretty much run-of-the-mill bike. It is fast, let me tell you. I've ridden it a couple times. He took off part of the exhaust where the baffles are, so it is pretty much straight pipe. It backfires, shoots flames. It's pretty nice. Once again, 2000 cc's. Now this little thing right here is this little project that we're going to be doing. So this project here is, I think this is like a 150cc go-kart. It has a little air intake on it right now, which is pretty freaking dope, actually. This is a little, I think that was like $15 or something from eBay, something cheap. He just put new tires on it for Christmas, so put the rear tires on. I did the fronts. I know he has that. That is part of the exhaust. I think he put a new one on. Anyway, there's something wrong with that motor. So what he's going to be planning on doing, I believe, is a 250cc swap. And that has a little bit more horsepower. It should be really cool and fun. So, yeah. Right now it's coming out, and we should get to it.
Oh, alright. I hope these are the right size.
There's also something to clean your air filter, actually.
It's not that bad. Look at the front.
Tell me again, it's not that bad?
It was a lot worse. Dude, before I cleaned it, it was really bad.
Alright, sweet.
I gotta get in here.
So I know you said you already talked about this a little bit, but it's a VN2000.
Yep, it's almost 2100 cc's. It was the biggest V-twin produced back then. There we go. And then this.
Interesting. Wait.
What?
That's how you release the back seat?
Yeah, although everything's really cold right now, so I think it's...
It sounds like SpongeBob's new boots. Alright, so we got the jumper cables, so that's good. It is so cold out. It is like 10 degrees out maybe. So we're going to get this started. It's going to have a cold start after a couple months, so it should be very loud. Or it might not even start at all. It literally might not start at all, so who knows. But he's going to talk about this, because this is definitely going to be on the channel, because we're doing an engine swap on it. So.
Right. Dude, just stay. Just.
Having trouble?
Yeah, I am. There we go. It's because these jumper cables. Look at them. They have the weird, like.
To slip onto the bolt.
battery seems like it might be dead, which would be really awesome. Nice. Huh.
All right, let's see. Let's see if it'll start. I think it might.
It's going to. Check, dude, it hasn't started so long.
Okay, here we go. Sounds freaking good, dude.
Finally.
Sounds good. Dude, it's so cold.
I know.
My hands are frozen. All right, so before we close out the video, you want to talk about this for a little second real quick?
Yep. Right now there's a 150cc GY6 on it, which we blew up because we rode it for 8 hours hard. I don't know exactly what went wrong with it, but we're going to put a stage 1 Predator motor on it, which is a 212cc, which I believe.
Add like how much horsepower?
I think it has 14 horsepower.
Okay.
Compared to that one only has like 9 or 10.
All right.
So it's a little bit better. Plus, we're obviously going to do more work to it, but
yep,
for now it'll be better.
Well,
and then eventually we're going to put, I want to put either a Ninja 250cc motor or some V-twin motorcycle engine that's air cooled.
So explain to them real quick why you want a RAV4 V6.
Well, that one's a 4-cylinder.
That's the 4-cylinder, but explain why the V6.
The V6 RAV4 from 2006 to 2012 was Toyota's fastest car that they made. Not Lexus, but Toyota's. So the 0 to 60 is impressive.
So he beat a G35?
G35 Infinity.
Yeah.
And your Civic SI.
Yeah, he smoked my Civic, so.
And I also beat the old 3.5 Challenger V6 before the 3.6 liter.
So what you're gonna do is supercharge it, obviously. No. Oh wait. Then we're gonna get into the Dakota later. That'll be a different video. But all right, yeah, definitely V6. He wants to definitely swap this out. Not the engine, but the whole car. Eventually swap it for a V6, and then we'll do something nice to it. And then he has a plan for a certain pickup truck. I just said it was a Dakota, but we're not going to tell you what Dakota, what engine, what anything. And we're going to nitrous it. It's going to be awesome. So that's going to be it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because when I do post, you will be getting it. And we're going to be posting a lot more now. So peace out, guys. Peace.